Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Ahmed LinkedIn Wala. Again, I come to you. So today I will tell you that how to find job on LinkedIn. To find a job on LinkedIn, you can follow these tips which I provide to you. First is update your profile. Ensure your LinkedIn profile is complete and up to date, highlighting your skills, experience, and education. Second, use the job search feature. Click on the jobs tab on the LinkedIn homepage. Here you can search for jobs by keyword, location, company, industry, and more. Third, set up job alerts. After performing a search, you can click on the create job alert button to receive email notifications for new job postings that match your criteria. Fourth, apply to jobs. Review the job postings and click on the ones that interest you to view the full job description. Follow the application instructions provided by the employer, which may include submitting a resume and cover letter through LinkedIn or an external website. Fifth, network. Connect with professionals in your industry and engage with their content. Networking can help you discover job opportunities that are not advertised publicly. Because networking is like a great aspect for those who will have a great skills and who have a great communication skills. So networking is a great, even I can use it, and that's a good thing for me because I use it, so it's very helpful. Sixth, utilize LinkedIn groups. Join LinkedIn groups related to your industry or job interests. These groups often post job openings and provide a platform to connect with professionals in your field. 7. Follow companies. Follow companies you are interested in working for to stay updated on their latest job openings and company news. 8. Optimize your profile for keywords. Use relevant keywords in your profile that recruiters and hiring managers might use to search for candidates in your field. 9. Engage with content. Like, comment, and share posts on companies and individuals in your industry. This can help you build relationships and increase your visibility to potential employers. 10. Consider premium features. LinkedIn offers premium features like LinkedIn Premium and LinkedIn Learning that can provide additional job search tools and resources. By following these tips, you can increase your chance of finding job on LinkedIn. And as I already mentioned you that you have a good communication skill and good communication skill and which skill you are expert in. So you have to become the expert of your skills, because then how you could get the job. So that's very important. Guys, see you soon. So, Hafiz.